Hello everyone, let's paint a bookmark today. So I'm going to paint some orchids here. So I loaded my brush with some rose madder and start making these simple petals. So for these orchids I'm making these butterfly like flowers. And adding some small buds. One more flower right underneath it. And I'm adding some magenta here. Adding some dark purple in the center here. So now we'll start adding some green. I'll make some green leaves or buds here and then connect all these flowers. So here I've taken sap green and I added a little bit of blue and a little bit of this rose madder. So just dragging my brush and making these long leaves. Adding some more dark here. A few splashes and we are all done. I hope you enjoyed painting this with me, and I'll see you soon again in the next video. Thank you. Bye.